Sand filtration and energy consumption. In determining the correct filter for your swimming pool, there are several factors that will weigh in as relevant for providing you with the optimum water quality conditions. There are several less informed industry spawned contentions that are both fictitious and absent of any sustainable argument based upon real facts. So, we have prepared this article in an effort to provide you greater clarity to the subject of swimming pool filtration. What micron level is visible? The smallest particle visible to the naked human eye is 40 microns, so filtering down to levels lower than that are not necessary for water clarity. Claims of improvement as to water clarity as measured between all three types of filtration are baseless due to the human eye being unable to distinguish any noticeable difference. Fact number 2. In assessing the energy loss, hydraulic head losses, equivalence between each of the three types of filters, it becomes quite clear to even the layperson that filtering down to a lower micron level causes greater restriction of the water flowing. In such examples, this equates to the pump delivering less GPMs while working to provide more pressure. The lower the flow, the longer the duration the pump will need to run in order to accomplish one turnover of the pool's water volume. Fact 3. The reduction in flow becomes even more significant as the filter gets dirtier. By viewing this chart, you can observe that while sand filters represent a 25% flow reduction, Cartridge and diatomaceous earth filters represent a 50% reduction in flow. Fact number 4. Additionally, the messy task of disassembling of Cartridge and diatomaceous earth filters often prolongs the cleaning schedule by many homeowners and often results in increasing filtering durations in order to compensate for the reduction in flow rates. This hidden energy bandit can also remain an unknown if some service technicians decide to just increase the filtering duration rather than clean the filter. Fact number 5. In providing a sand filter together with the most energy efficient backwash valve assembly, such an equipment installation is truly providing the best solution for reducing the head losses and increasing flow, which directly equates to a reduction in the required pumping duration. Fact number 6. Pump impellers are connected to pump motors, and these motors are rated in horsepower outputs such as half horsepower through 3 horsepower and so on. Greater restrictions on a system often results in a technician installing a larger pump in order to increase flow. A larger pump installed on an inefficient plumbing system costs more money per gallon per minute of flow. Fact number 7. If you have to run your filter pump longer because you have a filter that is less efficient and your overall equipment pad design involves excessive head loss, then it will require you to utilize a greater horsepower to achieve the 2010 Title 24 regulations of one turnover every 6 hours. Fact number 8. In applying a flow rate to a horsepower rating, impeller design, several other considerations must weigh in, and remember, each system is unique. The evaluation of hydraulic head losses involves measuring piping distances, the amount of fittings, the type of fittings, the filter type, heater, chlorinators, valves, and many other devices that the water must flow through. These will all have a friction loss characteristic depending upon water velocity and pipe size, and they will impede flow to some degree. Their accumulative total, along with any elevation differences, are referred to as the system's total dynamic head. Fact number 9. In promoting engineered obsolescence in the example posed by the equipment of a continual replacement of cartridge filter elements and diatomaceous earth media, the consumer is being built, in my opinion. The replacement cost alone amounts to approximately $1 per day That's $400 to $600 every 18 to 24 months, and the flow restriction in energy losses based on the manufacturer's published numbers can amount to another $500 per year. We thank you for taking the time to listen to this presentation and are hopeful that you may appreciate the value of our participation as a resource